What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Vlog. Welcome to another vlog, and hope you're having an amazing day during these tough times. And I thought, why not make another video? And the first video which I made actually is based on rents in London, just to give you all guys a brief idea of what is the rent over here. Today I'm planning on showing you all guys how it is inside, how do I really stay, what is my room looking like, and yeah, what type of house I'm staying in. So let's get started. So this is the entrance. If you see, this is the dustbin. Two dustbins over here. One is for recyclable, one is for your wet waste. Simple as that. This is the front yard which I come mostly, and this is the front yard actually I come because when I need privacy, because in my room I'm staying with one person, and sometimes when I'm on a call I can't really talk, so I come over here mostly because the Wi-Fi connects over here. I talk. So the front yard is done. Let me show you more in depth actually how is my room looking like, what it is like. So these are the keys actually. These are the keys which are given to everyone. All the people who stay over here, they get one key spare as per the rule. So basically, I don't know how many keys the owner must be having, maybe 5, 6, probably reckon. So you just walk over here, you go straight, simple as that. So it's quite dark in. So this is one room over here where someone is staying else. Let's not talk about that. So if you see over here, this is one room, this is another room, and this is another room as well. This is where I stay. So let's stick to this for now. Like, we don't want issues right now. If you see, this is my room, and I'll give you a big detail. So this is one bed, this is another bed, and let's get started. So simple as that. This is the bed which I stay. So what are the facilities you're going to have in this room? To be honest, the facilities are not that great in this room. Many of you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you all must be seeing my stories. It's nothing much. There's no table much as well, but I'll just give you a room tour. You all guys can have a look and see how it is. So this is my pillow, blanket obviously for the winter. So this is where I stay. Ignore the flowers on this bed, please. So this is the bed. Under the bed I have all my books and blah blah blah. You want to see? It's so embarrassing showing you all guys. Okay, you want to see all this? It's a mess. So welcome to my messy life. You got a lot of stuff going on over here, my shoes and stuff like that. Y'all don't want to see. Oh geez, my tripods and all my stuff. I know, man, you don't want to see all this. You don't want to see all this cupboards, but basically, yeah, you saw this stuff, what's happening by default. So 2 people staying here, 1 year. You get drawers shared. Depends, like for example, this is my drawer, this is my roommate's drawer. Really depends. You negotiate. This is my lovely side table lamp, which I always love. Good features, by the way, on that. And you have your cupboard also, which is shared. My chips are on top. I love having chips. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, the best time. Some sanitizers out there, very important for these tough times. And this is the dustbin area where all the waste goes in that. Now the room is kind of fucked up. I know it's not the best, but these are the clothes which I have to throw in the washing machine. Take them and throw it in the washing machine. So these are the clothes. This is the mirror where you need to get dressed, and yep, that's the way. You just stand over here, look at yourself, apply some perfume. Nothing really fancy much, man. And yeah, and these are the jackets actually for the winters, my mask. And yeah, so looking at the room, to be honest, it's nothing much of a big deal. It's really a small room. I told you in my previous video, somewhere between 250 to 300 pounds you can get these rooms, shared rooms. So the room tour is done. Let me show you the house. So what I'm really paying for, and not only the room, but then even a shared kitchen and a shared toilet and a backyard, which includes. So the room is done. Let's close the room. Now this is obviously we are going down. Now if you notice over here, there is no hall over here at all. This was the hall, I believe, but the hall is converted into a room. Now this is depending on house to house. We can't really say much on this house to house, so that really depends on the person's owning this house in specific. Coming here, this is in one room, and this is another room over here. Simple as that. And don't worry, your faces are not coming, only your legs are coming, don't worry. So this is the kitchen. This kitchen is common, and in the kitchen you see this is a shared kitchen where basic things like your to wash the dishes and stuff like that. So you come here, This is mine, if you see in specific. So this is where I wash, I mean this is my particular soap where I use it for. And if you're talking about cabinets, this is my cabinet. If you see over here, so this drawer and the common kettle to make the water hot, and for cooking this area. Common, your toilets, you want to see the toilet? Let's have a look at the toilet. So the toilet is over here. You can keep your clothes hanging on there. That's my shampoo over there, my soap. And now see, now these are the things where you use like all this to clean the toilet. So these are kept for people to share basically and clean the toilets as per the rota basis. And yeah, this is the shower, nothing much fancy, just the toilet. And the best thing is we have another toilet over here. Okay, this is the garbages if you really want to know. This is another toilet which helps when people are really busy and they have to go to work. So this is the best thing over here. Otherwise nothing that fancy. And let's go to the backyard. Now the backyard feels like as if I'm come to Mumbai now. It's a Mumbai feeling backyard, you know. You can see there is one old cupboard, then there is some old tables. It's fucked up basically. You can see the shed also. You can see the cloths. By looking at the cloths you can get that Indian feeling altogether. So this is a part of the backyard basically just behind the kitchen. And then you come here and then you see the backyard. It's just an open backyard and there are some people just planting some flowers, some gardening shit going on over there. That depends on your personal life, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I've shown you all the house where I live in. You all know now exactly between 250 pounds to 300 pounds what I are going to get and how you are going to get the facilities. Have you all seen the fridge? Let me show you the fridge. So this is the fridge facilities. Fridge facilities, I will show you guys. This is my spot. This is my spot and this is my spot, which is. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure if you all find this video very informative, make sure you all guys hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. I hope you all guys have been amazing. Stay safe and bye bye.